Hello. There is a good probability, if you're watching this video, that you found me because you have at some point had a reading with me. And if that's the case, I hope there is also the possibility that you have discovered how amazing tarot is. Now, perhaps you may have thought on the odd occasion that it would be interesting to maybe learn more about being able to use tarot yourself. Tarot is amazing and it can make life better. It's a fascinating way of looking below the surface. So if you would be interested in doing that, I have a foundation course starting on the 11th of January, and I have 4 places left that I would love to fill. So if you think that might be something you would be interested in exploring, then check it out. The link is below. They're going to run every month, so there will be another date if this one isn't right, but have a look. See if it might be something you or someone you know might be interested in, because I would love to fill these last 4 places. I will speak to you soon. I'm here for a reading if you need one. In the meantime, check it out and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.